Ciao tutti, my name is Cristina Sterie. I am an advanced schema therapist, trainer and supervisor, and also the certification coordinator for the International Society of Schema Therapy. And I'm waiting to see you at my workshop, which will be on parent modes and how to work with parent modes, or what we call inner critics. This will be held on the 29th of October, and I'm looking forward to see you there and discuss about the history of the parent mode, the history of the concept, understanding the way it becomes a parent mode, the way it is internalized, discussing about the different type of parent modes, but most of all, discussing and understanding how to intervene in working with this certain mode. As you probably know, the parent mode or the inner critic is a very hard mode to tackle. It is hard to get rid of it, it is hard to work with it, and sometimes it may interfere with the therapy process, and it may be responsible for the client impasses and for the lack of change. So I am looking forward, and I hope you are looking forward to having this workshop and discuss about classical schema therapy techniques regarding working with parent modes, but also some new creative techniques that we can use when we don't know what to do. Looking forward to see you. Ciao!